Alright, we are almost done. Let's just copy-paste our last two functions, the loading functions, over from the other notebook. Check if they upload correctly into the worksheets. As you can see, both work well. Check if what we have written also works for more than just 1 week and with data already in the worksheet. Thus, change the dates in the totals and details loop functions to 1 or 2 weeks later, and then run these cells again. Check the downloads functions. Run them and add a cell to check the returns of the functions. All is fine. We have extracted the data that was in the worksheets, and the last week's first day was 5 September 2016 for both dates. Then delete the testing cells where we have checked the dictionary that we extracted from Facebook. Rerun the totals loop test cells. It may take some time to run. The totals give me the right results, but when I run the details loop test cells, I get an error. The error message reads, "User request limit reached." What this means is that we have accessed the API too many times in a certain time limit set by Facebook. Therefore, we need to do less API calls for a certain time. We can achieve that with the sleep method. Add the method in the library cell, and then add the method into the function that makes API requests. For me, 5 seconds work. Depending on how many campaigns you have, you may be able to reduce the number of seconds the loop needs to wait to continue running, or you may need to increase the time to 10 or 15 seconds or more. The longer you instruct the sleep method to wait, the longer your data extraction will be. However, since this will be run automatically in the background anyway, it does not really matter if it takes 35 seconds or 10 minutes to extract your data. Run the cells you have changed, and before you run another API call for your details data, wait a couple of minutes. 10 to 15 minutes should suffice. Alright, I hope you have waited some time. Now run your details function again and see if you still get the same error. If yes, add a couple of more seconds to your sleep method and maybe wait an hour before you make another request. You may need some patience as this extraction could take several minutes. I get the right results, so I use the upload functions to upload the totals and details data to the respective worksheets.